Let h of x equals negative 4.121 times 0.021 to the x. As x becomes very small, what happens to h of x? Increases without bound, decreases without bound, approaches 0, and approaches 4.121. Now what we have here is this is an exponential function, and it's in the form a times b to the x. Now, a is a negative number, which means whatever we have is going to be reflected over the x-axis. But what we need to look at first before we do the reflecting is notice that this number b is in between 0 and 1. So normally, if that was positive, it would look like u. But since this is negative, you're reflecting it over the x-axis, so our actual graph is going to look like u. So red is what we want. I care about what happens as x becomes very small. That's fancy talk for saying the limit as x approaches negative infinity of h of x. Which means as I move to the left, my arrow is going downward, which means it's going towards negative infinity, and that's fancy talk for decreases without bound. B for bound, and B for correct, which is actually a C, but the answer is B. Just circle it. Like and subscribe.